Welcome back everyone. Today I've got something pretty exciting to show you. I've got two different vehicles here that we've just finished fit outs on. So we can do both down here at Oz Caravan World. We can do the large or we can do the smaller fit out. Today I'm going to walk you through this Isuzu truck that we've got beside us. So basically this one here had a lot of complex design features. As you can see by the body, it's actually a jack off. So what that means is at any time everything can be disconnected off this unit and can be jacked off the back of the tray and then can be used as a flatbed truck. So that's pretty cool. So let's go in and take a look and I can show you some of those features as we walk through. Come on through. So this vehicle is pretty awesome in my eyes. So basically on the right hand side here, we've got an induction cooker, a little kitchen sink, a little prep space, and then just overhead cabinet storage, range hood, more storage, a microwave there. It's just a provision at the moment. Customers not sure if they want one or not. They've also got the Bushman fridge. On my left hand side here, we've got a little toilet enclosure with the Nature's Head composting toilet in it, as well as some amazing wire storage which just pulls out. What you see on the left hand side is not only a lounge, but it also converts into a double bunk as well. Very, very easy to convert into two beds, which just allows the young family to have a couple of kids in here as well. As well as that, we have reading lights, power points, USB chargers for both the bunk beds, as well as some additional storage there, so there's no dead space. Now let's go have a look at the main bedroom. Okay, so welcome up top. So as you can see, we've got a nice sized bed. We've got plenty of storage inside these cabinets, as well as reading lights, power points, USB-C chargers, and Sirocco fans for the back area as well. This vehicle, as I said, had some complexity because it's one, a jack off, but the second part of this is the body was already pre-built, which meant we had difficulties with running wiring. So as you can see, there's some parts where we've just needed to put in some stick-on conduit, which unfortunately we can't avoid because there's no way to get the cable back into the roof cavity. So a lot of complexities, but it looks absolutely amazing. I think the customer's going to be really, really happy with it. On the outside here, as you can see, there's a little slide-out kitchen. So what we've done is we've got some quick connect stainless fittings here. So obviously it's got mains water connection, it's got a water pump. So all that needs to happen is connect up the hot and cold water line to feed the outdoor slide out. And then as well here, what you can see is this is actually the waste connection for the seat that's on the inside. So all that needs to happen, quickly connect on there, run it down the back and we'll go into the grey tank, and then there's a discharge point on the other side. You can see where we've connected up to the grey tank. So basically there's a little stopcock there, which can just open up, allow the grey to come out. And then it's just connected by a very, very simple clip that basically undoes, and then you can run your line into the campsite. Continuing around, there were some more little issues that we encountered, obviously due to the fact that the body is going to disconnect from the tray. So over on this side, basically we have the main filler for the water tanks, which will obviously be able to feed and sit underneath the body. It's quick, easy, and very practical for the customer. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as we enjoyed building it. So please, if you have a body like this that you want to complete a fit out inside, get in contact. We can also help design the actual body as well. So feel free to contact our office down here at Brendale for any of your fit out needs. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.